Eke po kano para kapa kasi sana po po magtalumpati as candidate pakaba. Ay gawa ko po sinulat ko natin kapag mamang kayo po mengan. Pangkalita sigurado kong makuya niya po yung kanamo sabihan. But I do apologize tonight that I am not with my lovely wife. At please confirm if you believe with my statement that not all beautiful ladies and gentlemen are in the showbiz. Some are teaching here at St. Thomas More College. Do you agree? Yes. Okay. Thank you. So let me proceed to my part with formality, and I am now serious. Thank you for coming to our Thanksgiving get together in celebration of our 10th anniversary cum testimonial dinner in honor of our board pastors. May I take this opportunity to congratulate once more our graduates who brought honor to our dear STMC for passing the board exam. For the past 10 years, our institution has grown considerably. And we know through your continuing support, more growth will come to STMC and to each one of us. Our goal may seem ambitious, but we have no doubt that the right people are in this room to make the plan successful with the blessing of our Almighty God. Thank you as always for your continued support and dedication to our cause. Before we all head out, I would like to thank everyone who showed up tonight. You really came through and made this event a passing success. I would also like to give a shout out to our event team who put together everything from day one of our celebration until tonight. Without failing behind on their daily tasks. Please join me in showing our appreciation for all they have done and to the achievement of our graduates who made it in the board exam. Let's all rise and put our hands together and let's ulitan kayo po sinabi ko na yata din daw. Ulitan kayo. So, kung po sa subject ko na closing remarks ko masakit. I'm going to repeat that part. Please join me in showing our appreciation for all they have done and to the achievement of our graduates who made it in the board exam. Let's all rise and put our hands together. Palakpakan tayo po. Yan. Congratulations and thank you everyone. Let's enjoy the rest of the night. Eta pa po yan eh. Kamalagwa po po niya, inarin ko na po itang speech ko. Thank you, takal po salamat kay Pamanyatagi.